Okay, lesson 1.2, page 17. Now we're at the very top, page 17. Let's take a look at evaluating a power. So negative 2/3 to the fourth power means that I'm going to first write it in repeated multiplication. I'm going to write negative 2/3 4 times. Negative 2/3, negative 2/3, negative 2/3, negative 2/3. And now evaluate means solve completely. So now I want to multiply all the way across the top and then multiply all the way across the bottom, and I'm going to count my negatives in the end. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. So 2 to the fourth power is 16. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 9 is 81. And now let's count the negatives. Every two negatives cancel each other out and become a positive. So 1, 2, these two are positive now, and then 1, 2, these two are positive. So when you have an even number of negatives, there's 4, and that's an even number, your answer becomes positive. So my answer is 16 over 81. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 1/5 to the third power, or 1/5 cubed. Okay, so I'm first going to write out 1/5 3 times. And now evaluate, remember, means solve it completely. So I'm going to multiply all the numbers across the top and then all the numbers across the bottom. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125, and there are no negatives to check, so my answer is 1 over 125. Okay, let's try example number 4. Let's read this last one. Okay, the deck of a skateboard has an area of about 2 to the 5th times 7 square inches. What is the area of the skateboard deck? Okay, so here is my problem, and we're going to evaluate that. So first, I want to write 2 to the 5th times 7 using repeated multiplication. So 2 5 times, 5 times 7. And now, because I can multiply in any order, I'm just going to go 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32, and now I have 32 times 7, which is 224. So because I am calculating area, I need to make sure that I write either in words square inches, or I can say 224 inches squared. Either answer. Okay, we will practice more tomorrow.